Welcome to today's game, and a big expectant crowd here to watch these two teams who really are in form at the moment. But who's going to take all 3 points away from this match? A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. And the home team have been announced. And the away team have gone with this formation. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Ramos. Now Luis. Passed out wide then. Back to the goalkeeper. Now Luis. Here's Bellerin. Cuadrado. Ronaldo. Messi! Well taken by the goalkeeper. Bale on the ball. Fabregas. Ronaldo. Here's Bellerin. Well cut out. Cahill. Hazard. Costa. Bale on the ball. Terry. Oscar on the ball. Costa. They have the ball again. Oh, determined challenge there. They have the ball again. The defenders back on the ball. Terry. Costa. Aguero. Ronaldo. Ronaldo! Terrific stop by Courtois. Passing here. Oh, that was close. Played in field. Courtois has got it now. This game really hasn't ignited. So level at half-time, and we're underway again. But who's going to take the initiative? Oscar on the ball. Terry. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack? Bale shoots. Terrific stop by Courtois. The referee has indicated a corner. Well, let's take another look at that. Gets the shot in. Well intercepted. Now Luis. Bale on the ball. Ronaldo. He mistimed his run. He's well offside. Costa. This game could go either way, but there's still chances to take the lead. Bale on the ball. Oh, that's...
And that's still a band still with a few. My hangers pulled right straight through the crowd.
Keeper opts to throw this one out. His teammates swap.
Well, I saw you now. Baby,
that goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. And we're back underway here. Oscar on the ball. Espalaqueta. Cahill. Kante. They have the ball again. This is Aguero. Hazard. Well, that's good work by the defence, just offside. Azpilicueta. Well cut out. Willian. Dispossessed there, and he's back in possession. He's got all time here. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the